To enter electronic physician documentation in Meditech, you will need to ensure you have the right job role. Launch Meditech and click the drop-down arrow to select the right job role, such as IH PCM2 with documentation. Launch Physician Care Manager. Select the appropriate patient using either the rounds list or Find Patient. Click on the patient to open the chart. Go to the Document panel. Any existing physician documentation for the patient account will display. Click New. If several or all visits are selected after clicking the New button, another visit selection window will appear, and you must choose which visit you would like to document on. Please ensure the correct account is selected by reviewing the registration date, registration type, and location. The correct account is imperative for patient care. For example, a discharge summary would always be on an acute inpatient account and never an outpatient account. To create a new document, click the New button at the bottom of the screen. The page will default to your favorites list, which you can use to quickly access your most commonly used notes or reports. To view all available documents, click on the Standard list. If you would like to add to your favorites list, select Manage Favorites at the bottom of the screen. Click the checkbox next to note or report that you would like to add to your favorites list. Click Save. The types of documents available are either notes or reports. Reports will end up in the Reports panel in the EMR and are distributed to downstream systems such as physician EMRs. Notes will display in the Notes panel in the EMR and are not distributed outside of Meditech. The correct report template is essential for report distribution and report location within the EMR. The reports with portal displayed at the end will flow to the patient portal. If you select a report that does not go to the portal, you may be prompted to enter a reason why. Click on the document name to open the template. To begin documenting, click in the Entered field. The free text section will open and you can use voice recognition or the keyboard to enter the report text. To pull data into the report, click the Data Formats button at the bottom of the screen. A list of available data will display. Select the data you want to pull into the report. Note that any data that is not required can be removed. Complete your documentation and click the checkmark icon at the top to spell check your report. Click OK. Click View Save to review your report. Make sure to thoroughly check the document before signing. Do not use the Assign Providers field. Use additional CCs to send the report to additional providers. Note that documents will not be distributed to physician offices or the patient portal, if applicable, until it has been signed. Once you have checked the document, to sign, select the Signed under Status and enter your PIN, and click Save. The document will be available in the Reports panel, the EMR, the patient portal if applicable, and downstream physician EMRs. Please note the signed report may take a few minutes to display in the EMR. If you would like to send the report to additional providers or locations, you can do so by using additional CCs. Do not use Assign Providers. Select the radio button next to Provider to add additional providers and locations. You can search for a provider by entering their last name in the text box or select the drop-down arrow to open the search window. Please ensure the correct physician is selected. Privacy breaches are created when information is distributed to an incorrect provider. As well, make sure that you have selected a recipient from the search results. Do not free text a provider's name in additional CCs. If a recipient cannot be found in the search results, contact the service desk to request that they be added. Once you have selected the appropriate provider, click OK. If you would like to add a clinic or department in a certain city, search by entering X followed by the first 3 letters of the city name. For example, to search for the BC Cancer Agency in Vancouver, use x.van. Once you have selected the correct location, click OK. Please note that copies to outside agencies such as insurance companies and WorkSafe BC require appropriate patient authorization and therefore should not be released. Addendums can be used to add new information to a signed report. To add an addendum, go to the Documents panel. Select the document you wish to add an addendum to. At the bottom of the screen, click the Edit button. The document will open and there will be an area at the top of the document to add an addendum. Once the addendum is added, click OK. Enter your PIN and press Save. The final document is now viewable for all authorized users in the Reports panel of the EMR. To view physician documentation for a patient, go to the Reports panel. Click on the clipboard icon next to the report you wish to view. If you would like to print the report, click the Print Preview button at the bottom of the screen. Click the printer icon at the top of the screen to print the report. To return to the list of reports, click the Back button. To edit a document in draft status, go to the Documents panel. The list of documents will display. Select the document that you would like to edit. Click Edit at the bottom of the screen. Make any required changes. Once you are finished, click View Save to view and save the document. To cancel a document in draft status, go to the Document panel. The list of documents will display. Select the document that you wish to delete. Click on the Delete Cancel Document button. A confirmation screen will display. Click Yes to delete the document. The document will display on the Reports panel and the Document panel with a status of Cancel. The canceled document cannot be viewed. Note that draft documents may have been viewed in the EMR. If there are documents that need to be signed, they can be accessed by clicking the Sign panel. Note that when the Sign panel is highlighted in red, it indicates that there are items to be signed. To view all the draft physician documentation reports, click on the Documents tab near the top of the page. Check up the documents that you would like to sign and click View Sign. To sign the document, click the Sign button at the bottom of the screen. Enter your electronic PIN. Click Save. To edit a document, click the Edit Document button to open the Edit screen. From here, you can complete any required edits to the document. Documents can be saved in a draft or signed status. Draft reports will not flow to downstream systems such as physician EMRs or the patient portal. A report saved in draft status can be edited. A report saved in a signed status cannot be edited, but an addendum can be added. When you sign a report, it will automatically be distributed to the family physician and other physicians attached to the patient visit.